Here's how to use GPT with Gmail in 2026 to write emails faster and smarter. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Next, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for a GPT or AI email assistant for Gmail. Popular options include tools that connect ChatGPT directly inside Gmail. Click Add to Chrome and install the extension. After installation, return to Gmail and refresh the page. You'll now see a new AI or GPT button inside the Email Compose window. Sign in or connect your GPT account if prompted. Click Compose, then select the GPT option. Type a short prompt like, "Write a professional follow-up email," or "Reply politely and keep it short." GPT will instantly generate the email for you. Review the message, make small edits if needed, and send it. GPT saves time, improves tone, and helps you write better emails. And that's how you use GPT with Gmail in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, useful tutorials.